Check out this Roadster here at Unique, especially in classics. Now, you're going to see a 30 on the windshield. Let's get this out of the way right away. Theoretically, a 28 titled as a 30. So when we advertise, we're going to say what's on the title. This is titled as a 30. It's a clean Minnesota title, 1930, Ford Roadster. Theoretically, body style, everything of a 28. So get that out of the way right away. 350 powered underneath the hood that is paired up with an automatic transmission. Actually, the Turbo Hydromatic 350 automatic transmission. This is a steel body, glass fender and board car. Great looking wheels in this though. Spoked wheel, BF Goodrich. Radials in the front, as you can see. Paint does show well. Take a look at the grill. Grill surround, chrome, bright work, also shows well in this car. Was actually built late 90s into the early 2000s. Odometer shows about 3,500, a little over 3,500 on it, I believe it was. It's believed to be since built. Now, if you want to check out the underside, good looking car, engine bay, interior, trunk, undersides. Take a look at the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. You can see the chrome bumper. Nice condition, chrome shows well. Interior is kind of a saddle vinyl bench seat. Tilt column. Of course, manual top on this. And we'll put the top up here at the end, camel colored cloth top, also in good shape. Now that will also remove and come all the way off. So you have your true Roadster look. I just have it folded back for the sake of this video and be able to see the interior. At the end here, we're going to put it back up so you can see it with it actually fastened and nice and tightened up on the car too. Other thing, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Now, this box that you see over here also, FYI, full of receipts. A lot of stuff from the build. There's some refreshing, some things gone through on the engine in 2016, I believe it was. So that box of receipts will also go with this. This vehicle appears, since it's been built, to pretty much have been in the Idaho area. I believe it was Idaho, Utah, kind of the Northwest, and then also down in Arizona. Driven in nice days, stayed out of inclement weather, and that's why it shows so well to this day. Once again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Check out that luggage rack in the back that will fold down. How cool is that? Rear bumpers, dual exhaust, nice chrome tips. Chrome really pops in this car with the bright red and chrome combination. Rear end in it, by the way, 8 3/4 Ford rear end. And all right, let's take a little closer look at the interior. Now, something I want to show you as far as opening that trunk. There is a tool that is in this pouch right here. And I'll show you what it looks like and kind of where it goes. I won't be able to do it with just one hand. But what this is there is a pull right here that this will fit on. And then you can pull this out. Again, I'm not going to do it because I'm one-handed. Once you pull it out slightly, you take this and it slips behind it and it will hold it there. The trunk will open, and you want to close the trunk, take those two things out, let the cable slide back, and lock the trunk down. So that is your trunk release for future reference. We need to know that. All right. More things on the interior. We do have, obviously, the shifter on the floor. Those VDO gauges. There is a switch right here for a blower fan that is down below right there. I'm assuming it for air circulation. There's no AC on the car or anything like that, but air circulation, possibly even electric heater. Let's go ahead and fire this up. We are in park, and it's just as easy for me to stand next to it, show you a little better. See how easily it starts? Go ahead and check these gauges out. So here's your oil pressure. That is working. That was a cold start, by the way, so your engine is not warmed up. As you can see, the tach is working. Fuel gauge is reading low. Now, accuracy, not 100% positive on that one, but it is reading and it is low. The fuel fill, by the way, is in the trunk on this one, and voltmeter. And as far as your miles, there's the miles, a little over 35. second. I want to get both of these sides of the hood up on the holders. We're going to check out that engine bay, then we'll put up the top, wrap up this video. Here you're going to see it with the both side hoods open. And nice dressy engine bay. Good looking underneath here. Lots of chrome, bright work. As you can see, headers. Again, Chevy 350, Edelbrock carb, HEI ignition, an electric puller fan. You have fun one for any of your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows, parades. Check out that engine bay, electric choke, Edelbrock carb. Sounds good, idles well. Tastefully done. Overflow tank. Now I'm going to go ahead and close that hood back up, shut this one down, and get that top up so we can take a look at the convertible top on this Roadster.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
And here it is with the top up. As you can see, fits very nicely. Free of rips, tears, holes. Nice and snug, and it looks good. Rear glass window. If you need to get out of the sun or the rain and need to put it on or flip it up, whichever the case may be, it's going to serve its purpose, no doubt about that. Nice fit above the windshield. There you go. Over a cool street ride, 1930 Ford Roadster. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate and call